Hello guys, today we are gonna make a presentation. Means I'm gonna teach you how to make a presentation. First, see at the top of your mobile phone there will be a plus icon on the top right. So click it and you have so many styles: blank presentation, Madison, Atlas, take your tour, gallery, parcel, wood type, iron, and etc. And you can see here there are so many. So I like circuit, but let's take gallery. First, let me rotate my screen. Yeah, let's first clear the layout. Click on that button and select the blank presentation so that we'll not get any text boxes. And yeah, the layout has been gone. Click on that arrow. I want to add text, so insert and let me scroll down. Yeah, text box. So yeah guys, let's adjust our text box in the center of the slide. Yeah, it's not enough, let's make it big. Yeah, it's coming. So ignore if any disturbances. Yeah, now click on the erase pencil icon. After double tapping on the text box, I'll be ready. Let's make a video. So yeah, this is just for demonstrative purpose. Yeah, let's adjust the size. First, let's go to home, bold and italicized, and let's check the font size. 60. No, it's too big. Let's keep 48. Yeah. So yeah, further we can change the text color. Yeah, no yellow, no. Let's keep blue. It's nice. Next, if we make it so thin like a strip, it doesn't get big enough, so we should make short then big. It's glitching. Nice. So if we make it thin, it becomes like that. Yeah, let's go. If you want to add any picture, first go and search any Google picture. Like I'm searching Mahatma Gandhi images. Let's take this second picture. First let's take a screenshot. In my phone, I click the volume down button and power button, so you can go to the picture icon and select it. Go to gallery, screenshots, and yeah, let's crop it. Here you can see a circle in which we can see the thing. where it is. Yeah, done. And this one too. Yeah, done. And yeah, done. This one too. So click confirm and done. We can adjust the picture size and done. And let me edit this one too. Let's type Mahatma Gandhi. DI. Yeah. So for the next slide, here you can see the slide options. After click the button, so you will get a next slide, and let's type about him. Layout. Yeah. No, not this one, not this one. I click the wrong button. Insert text box. Mahatma Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Gujarat. Sorry. Space. Full stop. Yeah. Let's make it big. So yeah guys, we can take any font of this text. Like let's go to home. Let's change this size and I'll show you. Not 16, I made it so short. Oh. Let's take 44 and bold and italic. Oh, I think, yeah. Add that. Gills and some tea. Here, add down. These are all the fonts in any PC. You will get Calibri as a default font. I like Copperplate Gothic Bold. With that, if I add bold, there is no much difference. And Copperplate Gothic Light is a thin one. Here you can see that if I add bold, it's changing its thickness, but I like Copperplate Gothic Bold. It gives a royal look to the text. And this is strike and this is the underline one. And we can add, let's keep it dark blue. And we can add bullets or numbering in, yeah, bullets, or if we add numbers, or we can change the layout to middle or the left, right, and there are so many options you can do. So yeah, oh, it's a spelling mistake, typo error, and yeah, we can change the name Mahatma Gandhi. Yeah guys, it's done. So here is how you make a presentation for your school purpose. And yeah, here you can make it as save as. Click on the three dots and save as, and you can select your file location, your OneDrive or your device, or you can add a place to cloud storage. Next, I'm clicking on OneDrive, and yeah, this is saved. So here we have the thing. To first open it, and there you have a share icon. Here there are share as link, full document, and the current slide. We should full document, and you have presentation and PDF. If you send as presentation, you have full document presentation, and here you can send via mail and etc. And here is how you share. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.